It obviously varies because I need him tomorrow. I need him flying tomorrow. So
give him some.
Yeah. Basically, what you'll notice as we keep flying Frank, I'd have to feed him a lot. The only thing he's good for is catching spiders. Come on then, Frank. He would eat up to 5 ounces of food in one go, but then he wouldn't fly. If he gets a bit stuck, obviously, you notice the birds outside, if they get something stuck, they'll use their feet and they'll pull it out of the mouth. Obviously he can't because he's got no pressure on his feet, so all he does is shakes his head violently from side to side, trying to get the food out. Like I say, normally it ends up decorating the walls, unfortunately. So.
How's that relief then?
Quite reasonably light, aren't they, really? Yeah.
Colin, put him down now. It's gone. He went.
She went back and it's our female eagle owl. So over in Finland, these birds we documented as catching and eating common buzzards. Bear in mind, you notice
salty owls come out of these like dust time.
They use a beak, like I say, his eyes compensates for this, he's got to be able to rotate his head. He can see perfectly fine as it is. You notice I'm handing him the food when obviously it flies to your glove. There you go. Starlings and sparrows mainly, he'll ambush them. He won't tell him to chase them. Whilst they're in a hedge, he'll fly off using the wood. The first is called seashells kestrel. They're not an awful lot smaller. Like I say, he's 3.5 ounces. So he is. He's that one he's got on his leg. It's the second most powerful one by. The most powerful one we've got is permanently stuck on the falcon's tail. So as long as we get the birds back,
40 days, all right.
But obviously when I put this, I'll switch him off. So sit there and wait. He's known as the desert eagle owl. You see this as a parrot due to his plumage down the back. He sits there. He looks like a rock. He sits on a rocky ledge. That's all he'll look like. You've got to bear in mind in the wild, he'll shout at his head. She'll shout at me. Come on, you're going to have to get out of this habit. Of course, he's on the right side of his head. However, he's actually got offset hearing, so sat on the bus with driving the car and hearing siren, so you never tell where it's coming from. See the lights. He'll be able to tell exactly where it's coming from because he's got direction. Yeah. tufts. Anyone got any ideas what they're for? I've not. No one generally knows what they're catching. Falcons, they mainly do catch the birds. So all he's aiming to do is catch this, and all I'm doing right now is I'm simulating a bird in flight. And he's obviously trying to catch it. Falcons are mainly very close. Ambush predators, you see. Facing the wrong way. All it is, he can't work. I don't know why he does it. If he gets that way, he can't turn into the wind because he's pumping against the wind. So. Yeah, he flew pretty crap then, but you know, can't say he's not going to fall. If he gets that side of the wind, he just sits there hovering.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
You can't get him away from you. He does it when it's windy.
Dicky Falcon.
Yes. So obviously he didn't do any work at all, unfortunately, but normally he'd work for it, and then basically he's caught that, so I'd have to leave him to eat it. He's worked hard. But like I say, all that does is it simulates a bird in flight. He's got to try and catch it. If I was planning on hunting him, I'd put a dead crow on the end, or what I was wanting him to hunt. Crow, magpie, put that on the end, fly him to that. If he catches that, give him a feeder pocket. Then he'll learn. If he catches that, he obviously gets more, and then eventually I'd slip him like the real thing. But because he's what we term lure bound, so all he knows is this lure, that's all he'll catch.